Today we milk 320 cows that are housed in a freestall barn. They're milked 3 times a day. Every day of the year we calve and breed all our heifers and rear all our bull calves, and we produce around 5 million litres of milk a year. We sell our milk to a processor called Lion Dairy and Drinks. And they use that for, they do the Dairy Farmers brand, and also a lot of the flavoured milks like Dare Ice Coffee and those sort of products. Some of the challenges are obviously the weather and the milk price and all those sort of things, irrigation water availability and feed prices, so we need to work with all those challenges and to keep business viable and running. Lucerne is one of our main feeds. We harvest lucerne as silage for the early parts of the season, and then through the summer months we would cut hay. We often sell a fair bit of that hay because we do grow a surplus of feed, which helps us guarantee we have feed supply in dry times. Then our main crop is corn. We grow corn over the summer. That corn is harvested for silage as well, stored in concrete bunkers, and that's one of our main forages for the cows. Then the other crops we grow are cereals, wheat and barley. They can be either cut for hay or cut for silage, or we take them through the grain. Main use for the speed tiller is preparing country for lucerne. We do use a lot of direct drilling now, and we strip tilling with our corn, direct drilling with our cereals, but lucerne is one crop that we do prepare a really fine seed bed for, and so we found the speed tiller a really great machine in that it leaves the paddock very level. Often it's only one pass, and it's prepared seed bed. We then would come over with a scarifier and a rubber tied roller and level it for the final pass. But the speed tiller is a great machine just for just doing a very fine and level till. It's just certainly reduced the time that we spend preparing a paddock, and we can convert a stubble paddock into a lucerne field, just like the one we've done just here, is in very quick time. You know, we don't only spend one pass, as I said, with a speed tiller, and maybe 2 passes with a scarifier and rubber tied roller, and we have a seed bed ready to plant lucerne into. We are very fussy about our lucerne paddocks because we harvest them at least 7 or 8 times a year, and it all happens fairly quickly, so we want a really smooth paddock, and that also helps with the germination of the lucerne. I think they're exceptionally well-built machine. It certainly has changed the way that we cultivate, if we have to cultivate, and we still do need to cultivate at various times. They're just an ideal machine for a very fast and level cultivation.